Natural language processing, or NLP, is a field at the intersection of computer science, artificial intelligence, and linguistics. Its goal is to enable computers to understand and process human languages, to get computers closer to a human-level understanding of language. From translating languages to processing spoken commands, NLP helps bridge the communication gap between humans and machines. What is language processing? Language processing involves the ability of computers to analyze, understand, and generate human language, including speech. The first step is for machines to understand and structure the input data, text or spoken words, and then process it accordingly. Tokenization, splitting text into sentences, words, or other units. Part of speech tagging, identifying parts of speech in the text, such as nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Named entity recognition, or NAR, detecting and classifying key entities in the text like names of people, organizations, locations, etc. Sentiment. Analysis. Determining the attitude or emotion of the speaker or writer. Text analysis involves the use of algorithms to understand the structure, meaning, and intent of the text. Here, you explore how to extract meaningful and actionable insights from text data. Syntax analysis, for instance, deals with analyzing the grammatical structure of sentences to interpret human language. Then there's semantic analysis, which focuses on understanding the meaning and interpretation of words and sentences in context. Text generation, on the other hand, creates readable, understandable text from structured data. Using techniques like machine learning models, computers can generate news summaries, answer questions, or even write poetry. Machine translation is one such application, translating text from one language to another using computational techniques. Chatbots also utilize text generation to converse with users via written text. Chatbots are computer programs designed to simulate conversation with human users. They are becoming increasingly prevalent in customer service and as personal assistants. When it comes to the role of chatbots, they are quite versatile. In customer support, they handle inquiries and provide quick responses. In healthcare, they assist with patient queries and offer wellness advice. There are different types of chatbots. Rule-based chatbots operate based on predefined pathways and rules, while AI-based chatbots use machine learning to understand and respond to queries more dynamically. This module covered the basic concepts of natural language processing, its applications, and its impact on daily technology interactions. As you move forward, remember that NLP is a constantly evolving field with innovations impacting various aspects of technology and human interaction. Whether in understanding language structures or aiding in seamless communication between humans and machines, NLP holds a pivotal role in advancing AI applications. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this online training module. I hope you found it valuable and insightful. To stay updated on upcoming content, including new modules, case studies, and quizzes, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share in your community. Your support helps me create more content that enhances your learning experience. Don't miss out on the next steps to watch other module videos to deepen your understanding and apply the concepts in real-world scenarios. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.